Hello class 3, good afternoon. So class 3, this video class of English for revision 1, and in this class we are going to revise poem 1. What is poem 1? That is the poem Too Busy. Okay, so let's get started. You have to write all these questions in your classwork notebook as revision 1. So put today's date, revision 1, and the first question in the revision is fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters, and the questions are A, B, C, D, E and F. So the first, see here there are many words with missing letters in it. So what you have to do, you have to find out the missing letters and you have to fill that. So the first one, A is G-B-A-G-E. These words are from the poem. Okay, so the first word is garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. The second word is L-I-N-E-N, linen. Third word, M-C-H, M-U-N-C-H, munch. D-E-S-D-E-E-R-T, it is dirt. Will be desert, double S, that means Swedish. Now the next one is S-W-P-T, swept. The word is swept. And last one, F1, is D-W-E-R, drawer. It's drawer. D-R-A-W-E-R. Now here first question ends. Now come to the second question. What is second question? The second question is complete the sentences. These sentences are from your answers only. The child says so. What does the child say? That there are so many things to do when homework must be done, isn't it? So why does the child say so? The child says so because dash and is looking for excuses. So the answer, what we need to write to complete it? We have to write the child says so because he does not want to do his homework. He does not want to do his homework and is looking for excuses. So here the sentence is completed. The child says so because he does not want to do his homework and is looking for excuses. Now the next question. It is the same question. Complete the following sentences. And the sentence is the poet conveys the message that there can be a dash, a long dash is there, and here written undesired work. So what are the words that has to be filled in the blank? So we have to write the poet conveys the message that there can be a number of excuses. N-U-M-B-E-R, number of excuses to escape from an undesired work. It means if anything that is undesired, what do? We want to escape from it. उससे बचने के लिए जो काम हम ना करना चाहें उससे बचने के लिए बहुत सारे बहाने होते हैं. So the complete sentence is the poet conveys the message that there can be a number of excuses to escape from an undesired work. Now the next question. The next question is learn and write the first 8 lines of the poem with poet's name too busy. So you have to learn and write the poem 8 lines. The first 8 lines of the poem, and after writing 8 lines you have to write the poet's name. So how will you do this question? For writing the poem, first you need to write the name of the poem on the top, too busy, and then you will start writing the poem as I have folded all my laundries. I have folded all my laundry, and that too you have to learn and write. पहले learn करेंगे उसके बाद ही लिखेंगे. I have folded all my laundry and put it in the drawer I have changed my linen. This is the short form of I have. I have changed my linen, made my bed, and swept my bedroom floor. Then I have emptied out the garbage. Again, I have emptied out the garbage and fixed tomorrow's lunch. I have baked some cookies for dessert. And given Dad a munch. Here Dad is a special noun, that's why D is capital. Now see, we have completed the 8 lines of the poem. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Now we will write the name of the poet. The name of the poet is, always you should write it at the right side. Bruce Lansky is the poet of this poem. Now the next question, question number 5. Sorry, this is question number 4 of revision 1. Choose the correct option. Now 2 sentences are given and for each sentence 3 options are given. You have to choose the correct one. The speaker is busy. The speaker is busy. What he is busy with? Helping his father? No. Doing his household chores or doing his homework? He is busy in doing his household chores. Now next is 2. The work which the speaker does not wish to do is. What is that work that the child doesn't want to do? The options are: if he doesn't want to bake cookies, if he doesn't want to do his homework, or if he doesn't want to clean his room. He doesn't want to do his homework. So class 3, this is your revision of the day. Today you have to complete question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 given in the revision. Again I am showing you. The first question, fill in the missing letters. The second question, complete the sentences. The third question, learn and write the first 8 lines of the poem with poet's name. The first 8 lines of the poem with poet's name. And now the next question, choose the correct option. So this was your revision of the day. Complete it in your classwork notebook. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.